ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi bashnyam bat pinjasliang Umrupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net Foodish.
Ordar mapi Minwan Ramangi Hakerdob Ying Jongpi.
Ke National Ayush Mission ke Sarkar Meghalaya hakar kunai trik urusau arajar posau ke Rakhe ke naij Ayurveda de hakabo Commissioner and Secretary jangka tenak koi kakya ke Sarkar Jilla Dr. Ayurveda Ubudairu Director jangka Ayush but member Secretary jangka Meghalaya State Ayush Society ulalong kumukong san ringkat ke jingdan langun jangka Director of Health Services ke Dr. FV Kashiyeng lalong kum ke sembut kongsan. Hakan igasngi Assistant Professor Jongganeya Shillong Dr. Himangchu Barwa ula ajingkran hakabiyadai bat kani kajing Rakhe yakan igasngi kat baki expert na ke Botanical Survey of India Shillong kila ajing batai kababania halo kajing don jangikan bat dawai hakeleng jangan jela Meghalaya.
Respected Chief Guest Dr. Ayurveda, respected guest of honor, Dr. F.B. Kashing, Madam, dignitaries, esteemed colleagues, friends, distinguished speakers, and all the participants. A very warm welcome to each one of you on this momentous occasion of 9th Ayurveda Day celebration. It is an honor being an Ayurvedic physician from Purasana Hospital, myself, Dr. Devabrata Das. It's an honor and privilege of serving today's chairperson and to share the stage with so many luminaries who have contributed significantly to the promotion and practice of Ayurveda in Northeastern region and beyond. The theme of today's Ayurveda Day is Ayurveda Innovations for Global Health is a testimony to the growing relevance of Ayurveda in our modern health practices. It emphasizes the importance of preventive healthcare and the holistic approach that Ayurveda advocates, one that is centered around balance, natural healing, and harmony with nature. Now, I'd like to invite Dr. Merijina D. Salma to deliver the welcome address. Thank you.
Ayurveda teaches us that health is not merely the absence of disease, but a state of complete physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. This holistic approach to health is more important than ever in today's fast-paced growing world. I am Dr. Merijina D. Salma, Ayurvedic physician cum drug inspector for Ayurveda, presently working at Apathy Civil Hospital, Southwest Bangladesh. On this auspicious day, I would like to welcome our honorable chief guest, Dr. Ayurveda, IAS, Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya, Health and Family Welfare Department. Also, sir is the Director of Ayush and Member Secretary, Meghalaya State Ayush Society. It's an honor to welcome you on this special day as we celebrate the timeless wisdom and science of Ayurveda. Thank you very much, sir, for gracing this occasion. Your presence adds immense value to our gathering. Thank you and welcome, sir. I extend my warm welcome to our guest of honor, Dr. F.V. Kashing, Director of Health Service, MI, Director of Health Services, Shillong. Madam has always been supportive for Ayush and always encourages us to do more for the welfare of Ayush. I take this opportunity to express my gratitude. Thank you, Madam, and welcome to the celebration. I also welcome Dr. Manikandan, our Manikandan scientist and his expert team from Botanical Survey of India. Your participation enriches our knowledge and our gathering. Thank you, sir, and welcome to this celebration. A hearty welcome to Dr. Himangchu Barwa, Assistant Professor from NIA Shillong. It's a privilege to have you here with us. I also welcome Dr. Namisa Lindo, Ayurvedic physician, Ayush Hospital Boarding Room. She'll be representing us. The Ayurveda Department of 10 Better Integrated Ayush Hospital Boarding Room. Welcome, madam. A hearty welcome to Dr. Bisodi Dal, State Nodal Officer, National Ayush Mission, Meghalaya, and all the district nodal officers from different districts. Ayurvedic physicians, all the Ayush doctors, medical officers, and all the staff present here today. Last but not least, my warmest greetings to each and every one of you for making the efforts to be here. As we're looking forward, let's make this day a memorable exploration of holistic health.
Today is the World Ayurveda Day, and I welcome all of you to this program. I hope you enjoy it and take the best of it when you go back home and do your postings. I think this is a befitting day to make it very clear that I am not the Director Ayush. This has always been a confusion within the department and the directorate. The Director Ayush is the DHSMI always. There is no post of Director Ayush, and we have sought clarification with the personnel and AR department also. There is, however, a Director of National Ayush Mission. So, colleague director or the managing director. So, I hope you make the differentiation. So, today is also a befitting day to let all of you know that our very dear director, Dr. Khasim, will be retiring very soon. She has led the department from the front as a matrilineal society. She is I would say, the ideal example of how a woman leads the society, and she has led the department through grit and a lot of intellect. We have been through trying times. For all the recruitments we did, the service rules we prepared, the USTM. It's good that in your tenure only we could see the light of the day, and with your support, they could get the clearances well in time, though it's a bit late, last minute, but nevertheless, they got it because we started early. So this is a very important day for all of us, and I hope this will also be memorable for our Dr. Khasi as she is going into the dawn, the dusk rather, the dusk of her long career of 34 years. And we are going to have a formal program today and tomorrow, but I believe this is also a befitting occasion.
In sincere appreciation of your distinguished service, steadfast support, and visionary leadership in the field of public health, your tireless efforts significantly contributed to the enhancement of healthcare services in Meghalaya. National Ayush Mission Meghalaya extends its deepest gratitude for your continuous encouragement and commitment to integrated health solutions. Thank you so much, ma'am.
You know, every major achievement of the government starts small. So far as the Ayush is concerned, especially the Ayurveda, the emphasis always has been on improving the lifestyle. And therefore the focus today is always on the lifestyle diseases and the control of it. So the National Ayush Mission team had a discussion on this matter, and we thought that eventually we should come up with lifestyle diseases department rather than, you know, of course, as a modification of the Ayush principles, especially the Ayurveda principles. So we have just procured a very small equipment to begin with. This is the next generation kind of equipment, not entirely a diagnostic one, but it does tell you about your biometric, what is that called? BMI and other parameters to show that if you are on the, you're in the fringe of being an unhealthy person. So we'll request Dr. Khasi to kindly inaugurate this. This is a small beginning. Gradually we'll upgrade it, scale it up to a proper lifestyle department, lifestyle diseases control department.